Yes.
So, as you know, this is Akansha Singh from Unnao, and I have a kid. He's a 5 years old. I live in joint family. There are five members in my family, means my mother-in-law, father-in-law, and my husband, me, and including my daughter. And my husband is a lawyer, and I am a private tutor. And now I'm preparing for to be the government teacher. That's why I just cleared my TET and CTET exam, and now waiting for the vacancy. Whenever the government will recruit the vacancy, I will fill the form, and I hope something will be better. I can hopefully. So,
Okay, so you are the teacher. Which subject you are teaching?
mathematics and science.
Which? English.
Mathematics, math. No,
Okay, okay, mathematics. Oh my God, mathematics is a very difficult subject. For which class?
up to 10.
Oh, up to 10 is very difficult, subject. It's a very difficult how to like explain the maths because in the 10th I am very bad in the maths, so that's why you are the teacher of the maths. It's very good. Okay, so
Yeah,
you are teaching right now because all the schools are the closed, so you're teaching
only
online.
tuition. No.
Okay,
I went to the house. I'm taking the tuition only. I left the school just
okay,
because of
okay.
pandemic. I left this, and also because of my preparation, I cannot get much time if I will, used to teach there. So that's why I left the school. Now I'm teaching only the tuition.
Okay, okay. So, why you want what you like in my video to connect with me? I want to know.
Actually, I saw only one or two your video. I also wanted the environment to you have a communication or to do the conversation so that I can also enhance my communication. That's why I just searched a lot of videos. So someone tells me about means you can say my friend told me about you. Then you can connect to Sonam. She reply very fast, and obviously she will have the conversation with you. So then I ping the message to you.
Really? Which friend? I want to know. She's connecting with me. She's talking with me.
No, actually, she is not comfortable. I don't know why she is, a little bit scaring is facing the camera. That's why. But she used to watch your videos. That's why she don't know it.
Okay, okay, yeah, yeah. Everyone is
Maybe.
telling the same thing because I don't want to. The people are waiting for me because I am
Uh,
able to. Because I like this kind of thing. To connect with people. That is my main motive to come to the YouTube for my improvement of the English.
you are also helping those people who cannot join the other, like a paid coaching or something. So they can get the environment through you guys, and they also enhance their communication and work on their communication. That is the good because in the hometown or with the friends you cannot get that much environment, right? In all the time or all over the conversation you cannot do in English with your friends or family, so it's very important to keep on in practice, and there should be some environment so you guys are providing, so it's a very good job, and thanks to you for providing me and having the conversation with me also.
Yes, yes. Because I can say right now, if all the people are very interested to learning the English, I don't know why, but they people are utilize this time for this kind of thing, and I can say it's a very good thing because this is a very
Definitely.
important.
Yeah, it's also, we are using the utilizing the time also in due to the pandemic. A lot of people doing the work from home, they have a time they can do something else, means extra creativity. So why not we can learn something new, whatever we want to, if we want to, just because of scarcity of time, lack of timing we cannot do. So in this time we can get, so that's why we are using this. And also, English is a international language, it's a global language, so you cannot learn the state language, no, you cannot learn all the languages. There are 28 states, so English is only the common language. You can learn it, and you can go wherever you want to go and conversation with the
Yes,
people.
yes, yes, it's the global language. That is why in the every place I can say in the every place is required. You are the housewife, you are also the mother. So in the future, so you can teach your kids also. They all are teaching a study in the English medium school. So if we have a knowledge, so we can help in their study also. Because the English is all the places work, not in the career most of the people learn
Everywhere,
the English
everywhere.
for their career.
Everywhere
Yes.
you need to.
Yes, yes. So that is my main motive to actually I have to learn the English because it's my requirement, you can say. And I want to tell all the people you have to be like a learn the English. You don't take this kind of is a very like a lightly. You don't take this kind of languages very lightly. In the future, you people are suffer a lot.
Definitely. Either in the case of your kids also, nowadays everyone is want to teach their kids in English. They want to talk with their English. So first of all, you have to be confident in English. So that's why you can teach them better.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. So tell me something about
For you.
your like hobbies and all that things.
Yeah. My hobbies actually are dancing. First of all, I can do means I'm not a professional dancer, but still I like whenever I'm sad or there are a lot of time I'm getting bored. So I just want to do the dance only, Bharati kind of dance. I will enjoy
Okay. Yeah, this kind of dance not require any kind of like what do you say the
actually
preparation and this thing.
all those things which makes you happy, you should do. And dance, this is a that thing which makes me happy and which bring the happiness in my face. So I always prefer to do the dance in any part, even in the party, in DJ or anything, in the married wedding parties. Either someone say to me or not, I just start to do the dance. It doesn't matter how I'm doing.
Yes,
I
whatever the
everything I
things is we are happy, so we can do. Don't require to like how much I'm
definitely.
good just to do this thing.
And second thing, I like to do a little bit acting. Acting like whenever I scroll my phone, I like some videos or anything. So I just, give them my version. Just a little bit modify and then put my status. Even when I did the dance, so I put the status when I got the lot of appreciation. I laugh a lot when people appreciate.
Yeah, you feel very confident. Okay, I'm doing something good, so you can like a more video made like prepare for this time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sometimes you did a very bad and your acting is very bad or your dance is very bad. Still, when the people appreciate you, so it just become very funny because I know how
Exactly.
I did that. Just because people don't want to lose your confidence or motivation, they just want to motivate you. That's why they appreciate. I respect them, but still I laugh a lot.
Yes, yes, it's very true. Whatever you're saying,
And
very
third
true.
thing, I like styling myself. I love to wearing a stylish clothes. So, like I reuse the clothes so many times. Means, from one class, I will style with the different ways. And if people cannot recognize that I'm using the same dress, I'm wearing this time the same dress as already wear it. So it's very good for me. If someone asks me where did you purchase it from,
Yes, yes, yes. So whatever like we don't like live the life like whatever the some other people would like whatever the we like we just enjoy our
yes,
life with our own self. So this is a good way to enjoy our life. Otherwise we just like happy to other and we just like frustrated after some time like happy
yeah,
to other person.
you should have first of all happy and mentally physically both so that you can vibrate you radiate the positive vibes the positive energy so your surrounding will be positive if you are positive then first of all you should be happy and positive then so that you can radiate the positive
Yes,
energy for your surroundings.
yes,
And these
yes,
days people are very stressed disturbed and depressed they are not getting the time even for own self always busy in work family business all whatever they are not they are not taking out any time for their own self at least keep yourself happy so that that work become easy actually when you are happy.
yes, 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 very yes. So, like
Yeah,
nowadays, is a pandemic is going on. So, how you spend your life, like in home?
my, timing is as usual. It's not a lot changes here because I always used to be in the home only to cooking and take care of family and something like that. So it's my like a normal routine. Nothing changed here. Yeah.
Okay.
And now the
That is
situation is under control. Yeah, so I think everywhere is means office is open now. School not yet open, but other things like a market and shops and malls, everything is open here. Only Saturday, Sunday is running the lockdown only. So all the
okay.
5 days means weekdays, everything is open now.
Okay. Yeah, same
So
here
would you
in
like
Mumbai. In Mumbai, same the thing is also going on. Like,
Mumbai? Right. You are from Mumbai?
yes, yes, yes. I'm from Mumbai.
Okay.
Yeah, just I'm telling the Mumbai the same thing is going on, whatever in your side. Like a Saturday, Sunday is off, and Monday to Friday, all the thing is running. Only the Saturday, Sunday essential thing is open. Otherwise, all the offices and all the other
Same here.
thing is closed down.
So have you got vaccinated?
No, not yet. But I have to plan to vaccinate it because I want to go my village after 2 or 3 months. So because you can't go outside like in your state, so that's why we have to like vaccinate it. You don't go
Yeah,
other
definitely.
place. Yes,
Definitely, actually, everybody should have get vaccinated. It's a must, I think, so that you can increase your immunity and other things. I am hearing that third wave is also about to come. So before it, everybody should take the vaccination. So we can save the more and more life. We cannot be in a, we don't want to go in worst situation. Earlier, we already seen a lot of things. How many people uh, destroy their life, destroy, means got died, even younger people, lot of younger people who are in the just age of 25, 24, they just died. It's very sadful actually.
yeah. Actually, nowadays, what's going on, we cannot imagine. Like someone is like live with her, and some other day she's alive or not. We can't imagine.
Yeah,
Like this thing
cannot
is going
imagine
on
on that
only.
time. Yeah, that time
Yeah.
actually cannot imagine what will be the next days. Today I'm talking, other days I don't know what will be happen, I will be there or not. That was
Yes, yes, exactly, exactly.
very
That's the feeling. So now the time we like happy to enjoy what the happen happen.
Definitely. I recalling that song जियो तो हर पल ऐसे जियो जैसे कि आखिरी हो. So something like that. Enjoy every moment, this pandemic teaches us to values of time, right?
Yes,
Values
yes,
of relations, rela-
exactly.
everything.
Relations and how like we people are busy in our work. We are not sitting the with our family and talking. But in the pandemic, this thing we all are learn how to relation maintain with the family and all that thing. So
Yeah,
pandemic is something is teach us for like how to behave in the family, like all that thing. Because all the thing is open, so we are going outside. One week people are the outside, not to stay with our family. So this thing is also good. So during the pandemic is going on like a 1 or 2 year. Hello.
hello.
Yes. Am I audible? Your video is not
I
getable.
I got the call from downstairs. Means
Okay.
my friend is calling me, so I have to go now. I wanted to ask you about yourself, but I think I have to go now.
No, no, not an issue. We can
No
talk
problem.
other time.
In a joint family, yeah, definitely I would like to join you another day. Whenever I got free. Okay,
Okay.
thank you so
Okay.
much for
Okay.
having the conversation with me. Thank you.
Okay.
It was nice
Okay.
to
Okay.
talk
Bye
to
bye.
you. Bye.
Okay. Okay. No problem. Bye bye.